Okay, we're starting off with this EMD on a Gevo. Just get out, actually. Get out. A K&O shunter. It looks alright. Amtrak Phase 6B unit. Sign me up, that is so cool. Why? A CSX into SD78. That is awesome. I really would have loved to see that. No. Just no. What is this? I wonder what caused this to happen. Ooh, a chassis system -8. That looks sick. Amtrak, why have you not done this? You need to do this. A Phase 7 Superliner? Please do that, Amtrak. Just please do. You know, I think this is where I'm going to end off the video.